So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Earlier, and I'm gonna show you the play button that I made and the one that I made for Avery. Avery, if you're watching this, one of those play buttons are gonna be yours. So here's mine. I had a picture frame, a spare one, so I put mine in there. And here's yours. I made it the best I can. Yours is actually bigger than mine. And on the back it has a note on it. I don't want to reveal it on camera. So yeah, Avery. And I'm gonna pull up my new baby chameleon. He's sleeping right now. He's such a baby. I named him Sticks. Sticks just woke up. Here, let me take out Sticks. I'll be back whenever I took him out. Here's Sticks. He's a baby. He is a baby, as you guys can see. Sticks is so adorable. Hi, Sticks. He loves his home. Now you want to stick with the video, or you want to go back home? There we go. So yeah guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I might do some unboxing videos. I might. But Avery, thank you for being such a good friend and everything. And I'm gonna pull up my baby chameleon video after this one. So please subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Peace out, guys.
Bing bum. Bum bada bum. Bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bada bum bum. Woo! Woo! You baby.